Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can download and install the eBay application on your mobile device. So first, you need to tap open the Google Play Store on your device. Once you're at the home page, you tap on search bar and there you type in eBay and tap on search icon. You can see the application on the very top. Now you just tap on install and you wait for the application to be installed. eBay is a American multinational e-commerce corporation which helps you to buy and sell electronics, car, clothes, collectibles and more on eBay that you can sell and buy. There are top brands that are selling their stuff on eBay in low prices and free shipping on many items. You can see the application has been fully installed. Now you just need to tap on open and with that you have successfully installed and downloaded the eBay application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.